Hello friends and traders, this is Punam. Welcome to my channel FinMarketView, your guide to smart market moves. Please look at the disclaimer, this is not a financial advice. Alright, let's dive into the charts. Let's review our weekend edition broad market update. We'll start with the S&P 500 cash index. As usual, last couple of days we have a sell-off happened in Wall Street and S&P closed at 5638 for the Friday. So we have a little bit of strength on Friday and price has been gapped up and price closed at 5638. Overall, S&P 500 around 10% dropped down from all-time highs recently, and apparently S&P price has been held near this 5500 level demand areas, and momentum is also now slowing down, and I see that momentum is now slowly picking up. So we may see a temporary bottom in this area on 5500 on S&P 500, and the near term supply resistance I can still see 5778, 5869, and also 6000 the prior supply. The key areas are broken on S&P 500 on these key swing lows and key swing lows. So we don't know how these outcomes, but I see a lot of weakness in the market. But for now, this may be a temporary bottom on S&P 500. Price can hold and go to this area and then pull back and then go to another 6000 area. Let's review our S&P 500 seasonal chart. This is a 20 years chart from 2005 to 2024 last year, and these are price closed on a daily basis and from the rolling 12 months. So usually the price on first quarter January, February, the sideways and mostly kind of a bottom in the mid-March, which is as of right now, and then slowly market will pick up all the way to the June. So that's so definitely based on the seasonals of S&P 500 and based on this low, we may bullish on the short term on S&P 500 cash index. We'll move on to S&P 500 futures. Futures also same thing. We have a sell-off and came to this 5500-ish area and still a buying opportunity. And near-term supply is 5875 and 6000 areas. So definitely on Sunday evening, if the price may gap up, or so definitely it's a buying opportunities on S&P 500. We'll move on to SPY Spiders ETF. Spider ETF, it came to the 550 area demand zones, which is a buying opportunity, and the momentum is slows down from weakness to slowly strength coming up in the market. So definitely I am bullish on SPY and look for the target, first target on 576 and second target on 595 on SPY. We'll move on to Nasdaq Index Cash Index. This price has been held at 19,500. Overall, Nasdaq is down 13% on all-time highs, and this price has been held in 19,000. Definitely a buying opportunity in Nasdaq short term, and momentum is also shifted towards the upside. And the first target in Nasdaq is 21,000, second target is 22,000 the near term. But definitely there is a weakness in the market, depends on how it plays out the tariffs, but this will be a short-term bottom and Nasdaq too. Nasdaq futures, same thing, the 19,500 area has been held, momentum is shifting towards the upside. 20,500 is the near-term supply. Definitely watch out these areas, and also 21,000 on Nasdaq futures. QQQ triple Qs, so 475 area has been held, and then Friday we have a strong momentum, positive closeness at 479. The near-term supply or resistance I still see is basically 511, 520 is the QQQ supply where I can do the target. If I want to go long on this 476 on Monday, I will hold on to this until we reach to this 511 supply zone on QQQ. Similar setup on TQQ. The TQQ is price has been held on $6 price range, and we have a strong strength on Friday. So definitely, if this become a low, then at some point next week or end of this month, we may expect this price reach from 60 to 76 area on TQQ. That's the closest supply on TQQ. We'll move on to Dow Jones. Dow Jones, same thing. We have this key swing lows are broken. Dow Jones. Overall, this market is down from all-time highs 9.4%, and the near-term supply on Dow Jones is 42,000 area, and price is in the middle right now. 39,000 is a buying opportunity, but we may see the selling area opportunity on 42,000. Same setup we can see on Dow Jones futures. The price has been held on this 41,000 area. Price may turn from here to back to the supply on 42,000. Momentum is shifting towards to the upside on the Dow Jones futures. Diamond DIA. This buy area is price has been held on 411, 410ish area. We have a momentum slowdown on to the upside. Look for the profit taking opportunity, and sell areas from 411 to 425 is the sell areas on Diamond. We'll move on to Russell. Russell is the weakest overall in the equity indexes. This is down basically overall 19.5% from all-time highs. So right now the price is in the middle. If the price come back to here, there's still a selling opportunity on 22,000 Russell RUT index, and the long-term buying opportunity is still 1800-ish areas. This is still stays the same. Right now the price is in the middle, so wait for selling opportunity on 21,000, 2100, and then push back down to 1800 at some point. Russell futures, same setup. Price is in the middle on this cluster of trading, and the buy zones are 1900, sell zones are 2169, 2265. We could do the same setup in IWM. IWM still a weak market, but we have a strong supply. Our sell areas on 215, 190 is a buying opportunity for long term on IWM. Momentum is slowing down to the upside. Maybe we can see the rally to the 215 for another selling opportunity to the 190. We'll move on to VIX. Volatility S&P 500 index. Last couple of days the volatility has been down, and the S&P 500 momentum is shifted to upside, but I still see this $21-ish area still a volatility spike. It may come another spike, and that becomes another little bit of low on selling S&P 500, and that gives SPY is a buying opportunity. We'll move on to our dollar index Dixie. We have a recent weakness in the market, selling off, and we have the sell area of 107, and then buy area is 103. So definitely the price gonna held on this 103 area on Dixie. This will get some pressure on our commodities. Moving on to Bitcoin. So the price has been came to our buy area previously identified 77,000. Now price has been held. We have to see if this goes to here and then push back another down to 69,000. So on a long term, still this 70,000 to 75,000 still accumulation of Bitcoin based on the price chart. We look into the gold chart. Recently we have some upside potential on the gold. So recently breached 3,000-ish area. So definitely I can see that 2800 is still a buying opportunity when it comes back to the this area again on the gold. We can see the same thing on NUGT close to the supply of 57, 60-ish area. So definitely if someone is long on 57, look for the buying opportunity back to the 50. So price may breach it, or it can sell off to this area again on the NUGT. So these are the updates, but watch for the SPX seasonals. Based on the SPX seasonals, I'm still bullish on rest of the month. At least we can still see the price push back to this selling area on 57.78 on SPX and 575 on SPY, still near term first target on SPY, which will check the resistance. These are the broad market updates for the weekend edition. Thank you all to share my thoughts on the markets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a market update. Stay happy, stay fit, stay healthy, and have a safe trading and investing.